Hello, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the fifth chapter of Park MCQS structure design specification. First MCQ is the removal of props under all of these under slab spanning up to 4.5 meter is 14 days, beam spanning up to 6 meter is 14 days, and slab spanning up to 4.5 is 7 days. All of these. This is the first important question. The span of failure joist supporting a slab might be considered approximately equal if the longest span does not exceed the shortest span more than 15%. All reinforcement should be free from all of these: span, loose, truss, loose, mill, scales. All of these are correct answer. The permissible bending stress P beat for steel slab bases should not exceed 1500 kg per centimeter square. Pick up the correct statement from the following. All of these are correct. For steel casting, the minimum tensile stress is 41 kg per mm square and minimum yield stress is 20.5 kg per mm square. For high tensile stress, that was minimum tensile stress. For high tensile stress, the minimum tensile stress is 58 kg per mm square. For mild steel, the minimum tensile stress is 44 kg per mm square and minimum elongation of 23% on gauge length of 5.65 A. The uncharged value of standard U-type hook of reinforcement bar of a diameter D in tension is 16D. Pick up the correct statement from the following. All of these are correct. The diameter of rivet before driving is taken as the nominal diameter of the rivet. The diameter of the rivet hole is taken as the gross area of the rivet. For rivet of nominal diameter less than 25 mm, the diameter of rivet hole is taken as the nominal diameter of the rivet plus 1.5 mm. All of these. Pick up the correct statement from the following. All of these are correct. The minimum pitch of rivet should not be less than 2.5 times the diameter of the rivet hole. The distance between center of two adjacent rivet in the line with the direction of stress shall not. The distance between the center of two adjacent rivet in line with the direction of stress shall not exceed 12 to 20 or 213 mm, whichever is less in compression members. All of these questions were not coming in exam. Pick up the correct statement for the web stiffness. All of these are correct. For web stiffness, D is the distance between flank angle or clear distance between flanks. Vertical stiffness are spherical at distance not greater than 1.5 D and not less than 0.33 D. For horizontal stiffener, D is the clear distance between the horizontal stiffener and the tension flank. All of these. Moist sand might contain surface water by mass up to 2.5%. This was the last question of structure design specification in Park MCQs. Thank you, all the best. Khuda Hafiz.